This is a 401k. It sounds complicated, but it's actually one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in America. Today, we are going to break it down. Just the facts. At its core, a 401k is simply a bucket. It's a special account used to save. You choose a percentage, and money goes straight from your paycheck into this bucket automatically. Because the government wants you to save for retirement, they give this bucket special tax superpowers. There are two main types of 401k buckets you can choose from: traditional and Roth. They handle your taxes very differently. Let's look at exactly how each one works. First up is the traditional 401k. This is essentially the pay taxes later plan. When you put money into this account, it comes out of your paycheck before taxes. Let's say your salary is $50,000 and you contribute $5,000 into it. The IRS now pretends you only made $45,000 this year, lowering your taxes. You get an immediate tax break today, leaving more money in your pocket right now. Your money grows tax-free for decades. But here's the catch: when you retire and pull that money out to live on, you have to pay income taxes on everything. Because of this, the traditional 401k is usually best for high earners seeking tax breaks. You save on taxes during your peak earning years when your tax rate is the highest. Next is the Roth 401k. This one is the exact opposite. It's the pay taxes now plan. With a Roth, you pay income taxes today on your full $50,000 salary. You are taxed on everything first, and then you put your money into the account. You get absolutely zero tax break today. But here is the Roth 401k superpower. That money grows completely tax-free if your investments grow to $1 million over time. When you retire and pull that money out, you owe the IRS absolutely nothing. If you are young or currently in a lower tax bracket, the Roth is incredibly powerful. You pay a little tax today to avoid a massive tax bill in retirement. Regardless of which one you choose, you need to know about the employer match. The match is literally free money that your company gives you just for participating. Many companies match what you put in. For example, if you contribute 5%, your company gives you another 5% for free. That's an instant 100% return. If you do nothing else, always contribute enough to get your full employer match. If you don't, you are literally leaving part of your own salary on the table. But wait, there is a catch to that free money. It's called a vesting schedule. Vesting means you don't actually own the company's matched money on day one. Companies use this to keep you from quitting. They might use a 4-year vesting timeline. If you quit after just 1 year, you lose a huge chunk of their matched money. But don't worry, the money you put in from your own paycheck is always 100% yours. Always check your HR portal to find out your specific company vesting schedule. Now, the government knows this tax deal is amazing, so they limit how much you can contribute. Currently, the standard contribution limit is $23,000 a year. If you are age 50 or older, you get a catch-up bonus, allowing you to save even more. Most people won't hit this limit, but it is important to know the ceiling exists. And good news, this limit does not include the free money from your employer match. Earlier, we said the 401k is just an empty bucket. Now we need to actively fill it. If you just leave cash sitting in the bucket, inflation will slowly eat away its true value. You have to log into your account and buy investments. The easiest option is target date funds. A target date fund is a completely hands-off, set it and forget it investment strategy. You just pick the year you plan to retire, like 2060, and buy that specific fund. When you are young, the fund automatically buys aggressive stocks to grow your wealth quickly. As you get closer to retirement, it automatically switches to safer investments to protect your cash. If you want to be more hands-on, you can choose individual index funds instead. Index funds track the whole stock market, letting you own a tiny piece of hundreds of companies. Now for the scary part, taking your money out early. The golden rule is age 59 and a half. If you pull money out of your 401k before that age, the IRS penalizes you. You will get hit with a massive 10% early withdrawal penalty plus income taxes. There are a few rare exceptions, like buying your first home or extreme medical debt, but generally, you should consider this bucket completely locked away until you actually retire. If you need emergency cash, use a regular high-yield savings account, not your 401k. So what happens when you eventually quit your job or move to a new company? Never cash out your 401k when you leave. You will trigger those huge taxes and penalties. Instead, do a rollover. You can move the bucket directly to your new employer's plan. Or you can roll it over into your own personal account, called an IRA. An IRA is basically a 401k that you control completely without needing an employer. The rollover process is incredibly easy, usually just a quick phone call or a few clicks online. It moves the money directly from bank to bank, so you pay absolutely no taxes. Let's clear the air and bust a final couple of myths. First, I don't make enough to save. False. Even contributing just 1% of your salary gets the compounding math started. Start small. You can always increase it later when you get a raise or pay off debt. Second myth, I should wait until the stock market is doing well before I start investing. Trying to time the stock market is impossible. With a 401k, you invest automatically every paycheck. This is called dollar cost averaging. You buy consistently, whether the market is up or down. Over 30 years, this steady automated habit turns average workers into multimillionaires. And that is the 401k simplified. Find out what your company matches today. Log in, make sure your money is actually invested in a fund, and let time do the rest. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below to help out the channel. Subscribe for more clean, simple, and factual finance guides. See you next time.